How to log in into Macquarie Bank account for online trading. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Macquarie Bank for online trading. So let's get started. For the online trading, first of all, you need to log in into Macquarie Bank online account. For that, first of all, open your web browser and go to the Macquarie Bank website, macquarie.com, and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down menu, tap on the personal and business account. Now, tap on the login. Here, tap on the personal and tap on the Macquarie online. Now you will be directed towards the login page. Here, enter your Macquarie ID and password, then tap on the login button. Once you are logged in into Macquarie Bank account, you can search for online trading option and you can log in into the online trading part. And that's it. With this, you are now logged in into Macquarie Bank online trading account. From here, you can monitor your investment, execute trades, and manage your portfolio. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.